All right, we're going to graph this, and we're going to use x values starting at 0, and we're going to choose two numbers to the right, which will be easily 1 and 2, and two numbers to the left, which would be -1 and -2. Think of this as the number line. This is the number line. Now, to get the numbers below, what we're going to do, we're going to take this equation, 1 minus 4x squared, and for x, we're going to plug a number in. 1 minus 4x squared, we're going to plug 0 in for x. So we're going to take this number, plug it in for x, and what we do here is we first square it. So 0 squared is 0. So 1 minus 0, because 4 times 0 is 0, so 1 minus 0 is 1. So when you plug in 0 to this equation, you get 1. So if you look at the graph, at 0, you're going to go up 1. There's your point. At 0, you went up 1. At 0, you went up 1. All right, let's do the next one. If we do 1 minus 4 times something squared, and I'm going to plug in 1 for that something. Okay, that gives me 1 minus, what's 1 squared? 1 squared is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Again, -4 times 1 is -4. 1 minus 4 is -3. So this would be -3. At 1, when x is 1, you're going to go down 3. So when x is 1, you're going to go down 3. When x is 1, you're going to go down 3. Let's do the next one. Let's plug in 2. And what did I say we're going to plug in?
2.
We're going to plug in 2 to this equation. So 2 squared is 4. So this is 1 minus 4 times 4, which would be 1 minus 16. What's 1 minus 16? 1 minus 16 is -15. Does that fit on the graph? No, because 2 will be down here somewhere.
Whoa.
It'll be off the graph.
Yeah, this is only 10.
Now, the graph, what you should notice, this is -15. What you'll notice is if I plug in -1, you should get the same answer. So -1 should get the same answer, -3. -2 should get this same answer, -15. So at -1, you're going to be going down -3, and at -2, you're going to be way down here as well. Do you see how narrow this parabola is? You'll hopefully notice this is going to be a very narrow parabola. There it is. We're not going to worry about the roots and the vertex, but there's your very narrow parabola. And again, you start at 0 in the middle, make your number line, and then we're going to plug in 0, 1, and 2. When we plug it in, we reflect it over here because it's symmetrical. Sometimes your parabola will be sad, like a frown. Sometimes it'll be a smile, happy.